welcome back. Life with Julie. Okay, as I told you guys earlier on that I'm off from work for a few little days, so I am in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen right now, and I have somebody named the Blog Master. Every minute she call, what's up? What you doing? So you know when she call and say, what's up? What you doing? You know what she mean? Are you blogging or flogging? Yeah, she bought me and tell you she can't just call people so, but I really don't mind. So I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna cook some soup for my dinner. You're right, I'm gonna cook some soup for my dinner. I'm gonna cook some chicken stepper soup. Yep. I love soup. Boy, my viewers must be saying, boy, this girl I can't cook chicken stepper though. But every time it's chicken stepper. Guys out there, to be honest with you, I am going to cook what I love and what I can afford. Chicken stepper, me say. I am going to cook the soup. I'm going to cook the soup just now. And before I go any further, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. Cleaning up my chicken feet. Chicken feet. Right. And you know me use me? Grace vinegar. Right. Me can't leave out Grace vinegar. All about Grace vinegar. Big up yourself, Grace Kennedy. Wow, now watch your face. Anyway, I season my chicken stepper. I put some garlic as usual, and I put some pimento in it. And I sure one of my viewers, right? She called me the very first time I used the word pimento. I said pimenta. The person called and said, hello there, hello. It's not pimento, it's pimento. So I only hope that my viewer is watching to see I did the correct thing. Okay? I'm up for correction. I'm not too old to learn, right? So it is pimento and not pimento. Anyway, pimento, right? I have my pimento inside there, and I have some pumpkin, and I have carrots, right? And put a little Mrs. Dash. I am lying. I don't have no Mrs. Dash. I am lying. Don't have any Mrs. Dash because I always use Mrs. Dash. But what I have now is the Maggie all purpose, right? So I season it up. I get frustrated, I know. Guys, this blogging and flogging is very hard. Very hard. I'm back in the kitchen again. I'm gonna look at my pot. So this is the pot. I'm gonna open it. So you have the corn right there, the chicken stepper, and my carrot. I'm gonna close it back just now, and my carrots and pumpkin and my pimento, not pimento. My pimento and my garlic. It is cooking. So as soon as that is cooked, I'm gonna come back and put in my dumpling, my yam, and my Irish potato. I don't have anything else to put in there. So I'll be right back, but just remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend. Roger now, over. We'll be back shortly. Hi guys, I'm back. I put in my dumpling and my yam and my potato. So my pot a bubble, look at it. My pot a bubble. A bubble. Look at that. It's a bubble. So when this finish cook, I am going to season it up. After seasoning up, you know what that mean? Eating time. Yeah. Chicken stepper soup. Out of here. Alright guys, I'm back again. I just seasoned my pot with my pepper, my scallion, and my thyme, and my noodles. So this is it, bubbling. So my thyme there, my pepper. Whoa, it look good, you see. I'm not telling a lie, smell good. So right. So my chicken stepper soup right there. I'm so sorry I don't have any string bean, because I would cut up a little string bean in there, but I wouldn't let it cook that soft. Right, I like string bean in my soup. So this is it, guys. Yeah, this is it, bubbling. It's soon finish, and after that, eating time. Right, Jillian, I'm so sorry you're not here. My blog master, I'm so sorry. I don't know, do you like soup? Do you like soup? I'm not sure, but you know, My soup them taste good. All right. Yeah, you do drink soup, but you don't like the vegetable stuff in there. All right, guys. Later. Soon be back.
The finished product.